Hello, YouTube. What a fabulous, glorious morning it is out here. It's about 9:15 in the morning, November 12th. Don't even know what day it is. Wednesday morning. Got in here at sunrise, had a nice little buck come bouncing through right at shooting time. Couldn't shoot at him, he wouldn't have anyway. But about 9 o'clock, I had this doe come in. She came in from that direction, down by the river. She came down, hopped the fence down there, trucked right on down this trail, right through here. This is where I drew. There's my arrow. She took off, she ran up over here. And there she is. That's where she fell. Right there. Anyway, that's how we do it here, man. We put a Magnus Stinger buzz cut right through her pump station. Disconnected. She didn't run 15 yards, tops 15 yards. Alright, hang out a little bit longer and see if we can't get a nice buck come in here.